Welcome to the Banker Lamp. Please enjoy the video.
Hello everyone. In this video, I will explain how to remove an Audi A5 door handle. First, ensure you have the right tools, such as a T20 or T25 torque screwdriver and some plastic trim removal tools to prevent any scratches. Your initial step is to find a small rubber cap located on the edge of the door, directly across from the handle. Gently pry this cap off to expose a crucial torque screw that secures the handle mechanism. This preparation is key for a smooth removal process. Now that you've located the screw, take your T20 or T25 torque screwdriver and insert it. Turn the screw counterclockwise until it feels completely loose. Don't worry, this screw is designed to be captive, so it won't fall out of the door. Once loosened, gently push the screw inwards. This action is vital as it disengages the internal locking mechanism, preparing the handle for removal. It's a clever design that keeps everything contained. With the locking mechanism released, you can now proceed to remove the handle components. First, gently pull out the small, fixed part of the door handle. On the driver's side, this is typically where your key would go. Once that piece is out, slide the main, larger portion of the door handle towards the front of your Audi A5. As you pull the main handle away from the door, be cautious of any electrical connectors, especially if your car has keyless entry. The final step in removing your Audi A5 door handle is to disconnect any electrical harnesses. These are usually for features like keyless entry sensors. Once unplugged, your door handle is completely free. For reassembly, simply reverse these steps, making sure all electrical connections are firmly in place. Remember to push the main handle back into position and then secure it by tightening the torque screw until the handle is flush and stable. You've successfully removed and can now reinstall your Audi A5 door handle.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.